Maisie and Louie having fun in the snow. I was about to bring them in, but then I noticed these two having a grand old time for themselves. Go, Maisie, go! Go, Maisie, go! Go, Louie, go! Go, go, go! Louie, you're too slow, Lou. Good girl. Good, get some water. Good girl, you having fun? We're gonna have a good fun sleepover. Yeah, you're here for Christmas. Good girl. Good boy. So much fun at the dog mother, huh? You're having a grand old time for yourself. Oh, here's Bruiser. Here's Bruiser. Come on, Bruiser, go. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. They're like, no, it's cold. These guys will stay out all night. Little cuties.